What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be giving you all 5 tips that will make any line design look good. Even if you can't draw, even if you're not an artist, this is a cool exercise that you can try. And these are the 5 tips that'll get you through it. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right, tip number 1, parallel lines. So whatever type of line you do, everybody should be able to do lines. Have a parallel line with it. Tip number 2, overlap. Overlap. So you make sure you get some lines that go over and under. Let's get another one. Do another one. Do another one coming this way. I bet it matters. All right. And running off here. Or should I run it? All right, this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna bring this one and overlap here. Alright. Okay, let's bring that. Bring that back here. Okay, erase this part right here. So now you create an illusion is going under this one and coming over that one. All right. Tip number 3, perspective, different sizes. So for the background, I'm just gonna go with circles. Let's go with circles. Different sizes. So some that's small, some that's big. And that is going to create perspective. There's really no right or wrong to this. Whatever shape you use, it automatically gives you design a level of intelligence. You didn't just do scribble scrabble. Okay, so tip number 4 would be bleeding. Whatever your design is, let it run off the page. Like these go off the page. You're creating the illusion of this design continuing into infinity. And that is called bleeding. Okay, let's have some bleeding over here. All right. And tip number 5, the final tip, is thick and thin lines. So some of your lines can be thicker than the other. All right. So let's go thick and thin. That is going to enhance the overall look, because that is really the bottom line. You just want to give it some final little touches. And if you follow these 5 tips, anything you do when it comes to abstract or line design, this would take it to another level. Let's drop this in there. Just add in basically a bonus tip. Line within lines or shape within lines. And that will enhance the overall look. Let's drop some of that in there. And get some of this, let's get some white here to enhance this right here. Add. And everything you do after that, it's just, final little touches. But once you follow those 5 tips, and even the bonus one, shape or lines within shapes, that'll take your design process to another level. Thick, thin lines, parallel lines, overlapping, bleed. Keep those things in mind. And even if you are not an artist, never done art in your life, keep these things in mind just to experiment, try something, try to create your own. On paper or pad. And of course you see, this is all black and white, but imagine now if you decided now to add some color and take it to another level, all right? And there you have it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. So until next time, y'all be good, be safe. Peace.